Universe listens to you. Yes, it also responds. Not always with words, not always with signs, but in ways so mysterious, so precise, that they feel like whispers from the stars themselves. I'm not a scientist, nor an astronomer. I'm not here to explain the Big Bang, or the ever-expanding galaxies, or the mind-bending theories of quantum mechanics. I'm just a soul who has looked at the sky and received answers. Have you ever sat beneath a sky full of stars? Lost, broken, unsure of what comes next? I have, many times. And in those moments when no friend was near, when the world felt too loud to understand me, I turned to the silent sky above. The moon didn't speak, the stars didn't move, but something stirred inside me and all around me. There were nights when I sat on my building terrace, alone, questions heavy in my heart, tears that had no one to witness them. And then, a cool breeze would brush against me. Not by accident, it felt like a mother pulling her child into a warm embrace, tender, soothing, wordless. In that moment, the sky was not empty, it was alive, listening, watching, healing. They say the universe is 93 billion light years wide, that it was born out of an explosion of energy and has been expanding ever since. But for me, it is more than stars, black holes, and galaxies. It is conscious, not in the way we understand consciousness, but in its own eternal rhythm, aware, vibrant, and infinitely intelligent. We think the universe is out there, far away, but the truth is, it's within us. You are made out of stardust, literally, the iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, all forged in the hearts of dying stars. So when you speak to the sky, in some mystical way, you are speaking to yourself. I have experienced things that even logic cannot explain. Once, I was stuck in a deep personal struggle, confused, helpless, drowning in doubt. I had no answers, no direction. So I looked at the sky and I spoke, not with words, but with feelings. Please show me the way, I whispered in my heart. Just moments later, my phone rang, and with it came a solution that I wasn't expecting. This has happened to me more than once. Sometimes a call, sometimes an idea that lights up my mind like a shooting star, sometimes an unexpected person walking into my life just when I needed them the most. Coincidence? Maybe. But when it happens over and over again, you stop calling it chance, you start calling it a faith. You may have heard of the law of attraction. People say, ask for what you want and the universe will give it. But I have learned something deeper. The universe does not give you what you want, it gives you what you need. It listens not just to your words, but to your intentions, your reasons, your readiness. If you desire something, don't just say it loud. Feel it. Understand why you want it. Let the universe know your reasons, not through speech, but through sincerity. And then wait, because it's not a vending machine, it's a living force that aligns things in the perfect time, in a perfect way. I don't have many friends. I'm often alone with my thoughts. But I have never felt truly lonely, because I know above me, around me, within me, the universe listens. It listens when I cry. It listens when I dream. It listens when I say nothing at all. It has become my best friend, my teacher, my God. Not a God in temples or books, but a God in stars and silence. So next time you feel lost, confused, tired of seeking answers in people, books and advice, just look up. Talk to the sky. No language is needed, just a quiet heart and an open mind. You will be amazed not by what you hear, but by what you feel. The universe listens to you. Yes, it also responds. Always has, always will.